Today we're making your portrait from Spy Family, sculpted by Raven Eye Studio. Let's get started. Like usual, I prep all the parts and give it a nice coat of primer. With that done, let's paint. For her hair, I decided to give her some green highlights similar to the manga. I'm mixing some satin varnish with my black paint to give the gloss effect for her leather boots. If you've enjoyed the video so far, consider subscribing to the channel. I also have a Patreon where you get to vote for what I paint and your name will be part of the end credits as well. Thank you so much for the support.